Hey guys, Duane here. This is kind of a sad story, but like most of my stories, there is a lesson here. It was in the late 1970s. This story was told to me by a friend, so this was a friend of a friend. Okay? This guy, everybody knew him as the guy with the bird or the parrot man. He had a pet parrot, and he always walked around with the parrot on his shoulder. When he went into town, when he went to parties and social events and whatever, he was the guy with the parrot. Okay? Well, he had that parrot for many years, and then he decided he also wanted to get a bobcat. He thought it would be cool to have a parrot on his shoulder and a bobcat on a leash. Bobcats don't get huge, not like a lion or a tiger. They average between 20 and 40 pounds for a full-grown male. And so he went through all the necessary red tape, the paperwork and licensing and so on to get a pet bobcat. And when he got it home, he got the parrot out of the cage, put it on his shoulder. He was putting the leash on the bobcat, and in 1 second, whoosh, the bobcat grabbed the parrot and ate it. Oh no. Man, that is a shame. That poor parrot. And this guy had no idea. I mean, he had this parrot for years. He loved this parrot, and he just didn't think. He didn't realize that these two animals were not compatible. He thought they'd all be friends. Man. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace out.